Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam. And today I'm going to do a video on the internet computer, and that's ICP token. So if you could, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, leave a message, comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks. So before I get going with today's video, I just have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my opinions and views, and for entertainment purposes only. So let's get right into it. We're going to do a video today, like I said, on ICP. So here we go. What is the internet computer? The internet computer adds autonomous serverless cloud functionality to the public internet, making it possible to build almost any system or service entirely on a decentralized network using canister software, an evolution of smart contracts. So what does that really mean? I'm not 100% sure, but I did read through this. To me, it means instead of like using Google Cloud to store stuff and this company to store stuff, and so some's here, some's there, some's everywhere. The internet computer is allowing all of this to happen on chain, on the blockchain. It's making it possible to have it totally decentralized using this canister software. So the basics allows Web3 services to run 100% on-chain, being the only protocol on top of which developers can build and the users can enjoy fully decentralized applications. ICP ditches corporate cloud, insecure bridges, and expensive oracles. So it's also a huge savings. And to me, being on the blockchain, it's probably much more secure as well. So what makes the internet computer unique? Smart contracts serve web pages. Next tab here I'm going through is realizing the vision of the world computer. Learn how the internet computer blockchain realizes the vision of the world computer. Divide into its technology, open source repositories, in-depth video academy sessions, white papers, publications, and detailed technology articles. So you go to their site, there's so much information. Just real quick, Dominic Williams, he was the person that built the internet computer by Dfinity Foundation, and it's a not-for-profit organization based in Zug, Switzerland. So the company CEO and chief scientist, he's the one that went ahead and built internet computer, and this was back in 2014, 2015. I think it got launched, like the token and everything, ICP token, in 2016. But anyway, go ahead and check it out here on CoinGecko right now, and it's ranked number 20. So it's in the top 20, and it's $11.46 currently. Total supply is 512 million. We're at 454 million circulating. So a little over 5 billion market cap. So let me go down here and see, get a little more info. Actually, I want to look at one thing here too, but no, never mind. 24-hour trading volume. So yeah, actually a couple $100 million in trading volume. That's really cool. Look at this though, all-time high. It was $700 back in May of 2021. That's crazy. All-time low was $2.87. Boy, I missed the boat on that one. I wasn't even aware of this. So anyway, I just want to thank Glenn. He was the one that asked me to check into this. Someone that is subscribed to our channel. So anyway, look at this, 287, even from right now. I'll get into the charts here. We're going to go back to these numbers though, but let me see, ICP. So it was $2.87. That's great. Back in September. I mean, even right there, it's $3. So from $3, it was over 400%. Even right now at its current price at 11.47, it's still up 279%. So yeah, I'm really liking this correction. So I'm really, the research I've done, I'm really interested in this coin. So since I'm on the charts here, I'm on the daily charts. It did, you can see where it wicked down past the 20-day moving average. And that's on, yeah, that's on the 20-day moving average. You know, looking at this, to me, I just see it going down below $10. So I might put some, like this area right here between like, you know, pretty much where it's at right now at 1146 and, 881. There was a lot of volume, a lot of action going on. And this was when it was going sideways, consolidating. So, and then it took off. So I think it's definitely coming back to retest a little bit. Right now it's 1147. I don't know. I'm going to look at this. Let me go to tighter time frame, just see what it's doing like on the 4-hour chart. And I'll go ahead and just get us a little more data. So on the 4-hour chart, you can see it's come down past that, but to me, this is going to fall down to the 200-day. Like, but this could have been given. See, right now, it's seeing if this area is going to be support around where we're at right now, like the $11 mark, or if it falls below $11, it's going to go down, to 10 is my guess. So I'm going to watch this. I think later today, I might put a bid in to buy some, but the day chart just definitely looks like it's going to still could go down. We'll have to see what happens in this area. This could be the level of support that it is. I mean, this could be the new support line at $11. So anyway, I'm interested in that. I think once it breaks above this $15, there's probably not going to be much resistance, but I'm going to check it out on the weekly. So let me just get rid of this real quick. So here we are. So to me, once it breaks, actually, yeah. So anyway, I mean, once we figure out what's going on here, if this turns into support and it shoots back up, it's probably going to go up to the low mid 20s and then probably do the same thing. I mean, the trend is up. So that's how I see this playing out. Going up, big spikes up, they come back down. The retest certain prices and levels for support, and then it'll shoot back up, make a new higher high, and then that's what we like, higher highs and higher lows. So anyway, I'm liking this coin. For me, I'd probably put a price in right around, if I was going to put my price bid in right now, I'm not doing it at this moment, but I would probably, looking at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I'd probably put it around, to me, I'd probably put it around $10.88, somewhere in there to $11. So that's where I'd put a price in. But just so you know, it could just keep going down to the, so if you're trading this, you definitely want to protect your downside because it could go down to your $9.85. But if you just if you're buying to hodl or buying to, hold it for, several months or whatever, and it'll work through this price and go up, then somewhere in that area is probably a good price to buy in then. So anyway, we can go ahead and look at what other people think their price predictions are. And this is the Techopedia. And they're saying, so for this year, they're saying that ICP could get a high of $40 and the bull run $150, 2030, $200. So is that possible? Well, that's where we're going to go back and crunch some numbers real quick. So if we have, $150, so we'll take the 150 and we'll divide it by its current price of $11.46. That equals, so that's a 13x. So 13x, and we'll times that by its current market cap of 5,211,166,000. 85. So that would mean if it hits $150, it's 13x. It would be a $68 billion market cap. 68 billion. Huh. So, but if this market cap, I think right now that's very possible. Could it 20x and be $300 and be 135 billion? Well, if total market cap is 10 trillion or higher, I think definitely this could be. Going through all the material I've read, I think it's definitely very respected, reputable companies serving big purposes. I like it. I'm going to do some more research on it and then probably go ahead and try to build a position on it just over the next couple months and let it run through the bull market. So anyway, overall, I really like this coin. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and until the next one, take care.